Welcome to the channel, Ahilan here, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the passive income illusion. I've titled this video The Passive Income Illusion for a reason, and I want to really discuss the truth behind passive income. Now, before I get into this diagram, I want to mention Dan Locke, who mentioned something very profound, and that was, you shouldn't consider passive income passive, right? That's the wrong mindset, because with passive income, you kind of have this mindset: you're on the beach sipping martinis, doing nothing, while an automated system rakes money in for you. So the right mindset to this is you want to have for this is leveraged income, right? You're leveraging systems to work for you. Now let's get into the video. Now I got this this metaphor analogy. It was offered actually an entrepreneur, forgot his name, but I believe he called it hills and valleys, or peaks and valleys. And this is us over here, right? So we're building an online business, and the truth be told, an online business takes a lot of work and does cost you money, right? All because it's an online business via the internet doesn't mean it doesn't require work or money. It does require a pretty substantial amount of investment up front, right? It's a business, so obviously a business would need an investment, some sort of capital to fuel it, right? It just makes logical sense. But I don't know why some people, for some reason, think because it's the internet, everything should be free, which is not the case. But anyways, so this is this is us, and in this description here, so hills and valleys, it's really talking about it really displays passive income, and I'm going to break it down for you. So we're doing the groundwork over here, where the first few months, it takes us time to see results, because we're taking time to learn the trade, the trick, we're learning the ropes, and we're really, quote unquote, paying our learning tax, right? We're just learning how to get the hang of this online business. So we work really hard, and we're pushing. You can imagine this arrow as a cart. We're pushing a cart up, or a car. So we're pushing this cart up. And once we hit the apex point, so once we hit the top of the hill, then when we push the cart, it becomes automated, and it goes down by itself, right? It goes down by itself. And then from that momentum, from the initial push and groundwork we've established, from that momentum, it picks up, right? It has its own momentum, and it goes up by itself. And then we'll probably need to come somewhere in between and push it up a bit more. Actually, that's the wrong point. So the cart moves off the momentum, it goes down, and as you can see here, as it drops to the valley, we probably would need to start pushing it up the hill again, right? I apologize, I'm not an artist, but I'm just trying to give you the main point of this diagram. Stick figures is all I can draw. But anyways, so this hills and valleys scenario really paints out the picture of what passive income is, if you really think about it. So I'm going to use KDP, Kindle Publishing, as an example, right? So initially, we have a learning tax to pay. We're learning the ropes. We're investing, into writers. We're researching keywords. So it takes us time to get it pushed up. But then once we push it up and we start making some sales, it becomes somewhat automated, right? It becomes an automated system, and Amazon really does the rest of the work for us, right? But you can't leave it unattended forever. So it starts to lose momentum. Over here, we can see it has momentum, but over here, it starts to lose momentum. So we got to come back in, we got to publish more books, and we got to do other things, maybe optimize our books and do other things to keep it going. So other things could be AMS, right? AMS. So we can use AMS, Amazon Marketing Services, to target keywords to help keep the momentum going, right? And that's really the gist of the hills and valleys diagram. And this can apply to drop shipping and many other online business ventures as well. So I hope you've learned something new, and this really paints out the picture of what passive income is and how you should view passive income, right? It's really hills and valleys, right? So you're going up, you're just doing, the initial groundwork will always be the hardest, right? Because you're establishing a foundation. And then from there, you have leveraged income, right? So I'm gonna put L for leveraged. So we have leveraged income and not passive income, right? We don't want to think of it as passive income, although technically it is passive income. But my point is, you want to have the mindset that it's leveraged income and that you got to do continuous work, because there's a danger with thinking it's passive income, because you become complacent, and that's a dangerous place. And I've actually found myself there sometimes, actually, because I knew that, I'm going to make a certain amount of money for a certain month, so I'm not going to put as much work in, or I'm just going to sit back and relax. But that's a very, very dangerous situation to be in, and can be a downward spiral. So that's going to be all for this video. Comment below, let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, and share. I got my contact info down in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.